My name's Andrew Thompson. I'm an automotive photographer based in Bristol. So the T4 I've had it for about 3 years now. It was originally a panel van, it's still a panel van, but now it's got the high top on there. It's got camper conversion of some sorts inside. It's changed suspension a few times, so it's gone down quite low. It's had a few bits to get it right on the deck, but then it's also gone up in the air with big off-road tyres and stuff. So I think some of the suspension components have been put under a little bit of stress where they've gone from being slammed and then being jacked up. So today's a good day because we're changing the bushes.